Hey there, fellow adventurers. Welcome back to Dan's Travel Tips, the go-to channel for all your wanderlust needs. I'm your host, Dan, and today we're embarking on a journey through the enchanting city of Istanbul. With its rich tapestry of history, diverse culture, and breathtaking architecture, Istanbul is a traveler's dream. Before we dive into the top 5 must-visit places, let's set the stage. Istanbul, straddling 2 continents with the Bosphorus Strait, is a melting pot of Eastern and Western influences. From the bustling markets to the serene mosques, every corner of this city has a story to tell. So, hit that subscribe button, give us a thumbs up, and let's explore the magic of Istanbul together. Our first destination on this Istanbul adventure is the iconic Hagia Sophia. Originally built as a cathedral in 537 AD, it later transformed into a mosque and now stands as a museum, showcasing a seamless blend of Byzantine and Ottoman architectural styles. As you approach this historical marvel, you'll be greeted by the imposing dome, a true testament to the engineering brilliance of its time. Venturing inside, you'll discover a treasure trove of religious artifacts, intricate mosaics, and colossal marble columns. Pro tip: to make the most of your visit, consider hiring a local guide. They'll unveil the fascinating stories behind each mosaic and provide insights into the cultural significance of this incredible structure. Now, when to visit? Early mornings are your golden ticket to a quieter experience, allowing you to soak in the beauty of Hagia Sophia without the hustle and bustle. And don't forget to check the official website for any renovations or special events that might affect your plans. For a truly immersive experience, attend one of the occasional concerts held within the Hagia Sophia walls. The acoustics are simply magical, transporting you through time. As we continue our journey through Istanbul's enchanting tapestry, our next stop is the mesmerizing Blue Mosque, also known as the Sultan Ahmed Mosque. This architectural masterpiece, built in the early 17th century, boasts a stunning facade adorned with blue tiles, hence its nickname. As you approach, you'll be captivated by the 6 towering minarets and the grandeur of the central dome. Once inside, the intricate blue tiles that give the mosque its name create a serene atmosphere, making it a spiritual and visual delight. Remember, this is an active mosque, so be respectful of prayer times and consider visiting during non-prayer hours to fully appreciate its beauty. Now, here's a tip: dress modestly. As a sign of respect, both men and women should cover their shoulders and knees. Don't worry if you forget though, they provide scarves and wraps at the entrance. To avoid the crowds, plan your visit early in the day or late afternoon. And here's a little secret: the Blue Mosque is especially enchanting at sunset, casting a warm glow on its domes and minarets. So, grab your camera and get ready to be spellbound by the beauty of the Blue Mosque. As we step further into the heart of Istanbul, our next destination is the majestic Topkapi Palace, a symbol of the opulence and grandeur of the Ottoman Empire. Perched on the Seraglio Point overlooking the Bosphorus, Topkapi Palace served as the main residence for Ottoman sultans for centuries. Within its sprawling complex, you'll find the harem, where the royal family lived, and the imperial treasury, home to priceless artifacts. The intricate tilework, lush gardens, and panoramic views of the city make this palace a must-visit. Now, for your visit, consider purchasing a museum pass if you plan to explore multiple attractions. It can save you time and money. Also, grab an audio guide or join a guided tour to uncover the fascinating stories behind the palace walls. To beat the crowds, aim to visit in the morning and don't forget to explore the palace's serene courtyards and gardens. Plus, the rooftop cafe offers a perfect spot to relax and take in the breathtaking views of Istanbul's skyline. No visit to Istanbul is complete without experiencing the vibrant energy of the Grand Bazaar. It's time to immerse ourselves in one of the world's oldest and largest covered markets. With over 4,000 shops, the Grand Bazaar is a treasure trove of spices, textiles, ceramics, and so much more. Navigating this bustling maze can be exhilarating, so here's a tip. Take your time to explore and don't be afraid to haggle. Negotiating prices is a cultural norm, and it adds to the overall experience. Engage with the local vendors, learn about the craftsmanship behind the goods, and you might just find a unique souvenir to take home. For the best experience, visit during the weekdays, as weekends tend to be more crowded. And if you're a morning person, arriving early allows you to beat the rush and enjoy a more leisurely stroll through the bazaar. Now don't forget to try some local snacks from the food stalls scattered throughout the market. It's the perfect way to recharge and savour the flavours of Istanbul. Get ready to shop till you drop at the Grand Bazaar. Our final destination takes us to the breathtaking Bosphorus Strait, the natural waterway that divides Istanbul between Europe and Asia. To truly appreciate the city's beauty, embark on a Bosphorus cruise. Picture this, sailing between two continents, passing under majestic bridges and witnessing iconic landmarks along the way. Several cruise options are available, ranging from short journeys to full-day excursions. Pro tip: opt for a sunset cruise for a magical experience as the city lights up in the evening. Many companies operate these cruises, so check reviews and choose one that suits your preferences. During the cruise, you'll pass by historical sites like the Dolmabahce Palace and the medieval fortress of Rumeli Hisari. Don't forget your camera. The panoramic views of Istanbul's skyline are postcard-worthy. Whether you're a history buff, a nature lover, or someone just seeking a tranquil escape, a Bosphorus cruise offers a unique perspective of Istanbul that you won't want to miss. So grab your ticket, find a comfortable spot on deck, and let the beauty of the Bosphorus unfold before your eyes. And there you have it, fellow travellers, our whirlwind tour of the top 5 must-visit places in Istanbul. If you enjoyed this adventure, hit that like button, subscribe for more travel tips, and let me know in the comments your favourite spot in Istanbul or any other travel destinations you'd like me to cover. Until next time, this is Dan from Dan's Travel Tips, signing off. Happy travels!